Hi, Anaya.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay, let's do wow, okay, and 5 different emotions, okay?
Okay.
Let's do it first in a happy tone, okay?
Amigo.
Okay, mommy first.
Yeah.
Wow, okay! Okay, let's do it in a sad tone. Wow, okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it in a excited tone. Okay, mommy first. Wow, okay!
Well, okay.
Let's do it in a scared tone. Yes. Scared tone.
Okay.
Wow, okay.
Okay.
Okay, last. Let's do it in a angry tone.
Amigo.
Yeah, let's do it in an angry tone. Yeah, that one, angry. Okay, mommy first. Wow, okay.
Whoa. Okay.
Good job, Daya
I
girl!
wake up.
I said good job. Thank you.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.